So, friends, now let us start with a new topic depending upon partial differentiation. इसके पहले हम लोगों ने इस लेक्चर पुराने लेक्चर में पढ़े हैं ईलर्स थ्योरम on homogeneous function and problems related to partial differentiation. Now, let us start here with a new topic total differentiation. Total differentiation or total derivative. You have to also see total derivative. So, in partial differentiation of a function of two or more variable, only one variable varies. But in total differentiation, increments are given in all the variables. पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव में हम लोग एक वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट रखते हैं, एक वेरिएबल चेंज होता है. टोटल डिफरेंशिएशन में जितने भी वेरिएबल रहेंगे सब चेंज होंगे. सो फर्स्ट सी व्हाट इज टोटल डिफरेंशियल. टोटल डिफरेंशियल कि लेट z इक्वल टू f of x y. It is a function of two variable x and y. Then the total differential of z, जिसको हम लोग को डिनोट करना है by dz, and it is defined as dz equal to del z by del x into dx plus del z by del y into dy. So it is a formula to find total differential. Total differential. Now, see the chain rules. Differentiation of composite functions. यहाँ आप लोगों को दो चेन रूल की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है. Let us see first chain rule. If z is a function of two variable x and y that have continuous first order partial derivatives, and x and y, they are the functions of single variable t. Hence, z is a composite function of t. That is here, z is a function of. So x is a function of t, y is also function of t. So definitely this z will become a function of single variable t. And now since z is a function of single variable t, so we can find derivative of z with respect to t. तो z को एक्चुअली हम लोग बोलने वाले हैं यहाँ पर कि z is a composite function of t. आप लोग इसको ऐसा याद रख सकते हो कि z is a function of x and y. X and y, they are function of t. It means that z is a composite function of t. So then dz by dt, it is given by del z by del x dx by dt plus del z by del y dy by dt. आप लोगों को ये चेन रूल बहुत केयरफुली लिखना है कि यहाँ चेन रूल में कहीं डेल दिख रहा है और कहीं डी दिख रहा है. तो आप लोगों को ये आइडिया होना कि डेल कब लगाते हैं और डी कब लगाते हैं. सो अगेन रिपीट कर रहा हूं कि z is a function of two variable x and y, where x and y they are function of single variable t. So z will become a function of सिंगल वेरिएबल t, और जब z is a function of single variable, so we must have to find del z by del dz by dt, not del. Now आप लोग को यहाँ दो टर्म दिख रही होंगी, वन इज del z by del x, अदर इज del z by del y. तो z इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल x एंड y. तो आप लोग को यहाँ z की पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव निकालना पड़ेगा with respect to x and then with respect to y, and by chain rule del z by del x into, और यहाँ दो जगह आपको दिख रहा होगा dx by dt and dy by dt. Since x and y they are functions of single variable t, so this dz by dt is called the total derivative or total differential coefficient of z. Now before starting second chain rule, let us see one example depending upon first chain. See this example. Here in this problem, we have to find dz by dt when z equal to this, x equal to this, and y equal to this. Now see the condition of problem. Here z is a function of two variables x and y. Z is a function of two variables x and y, where x and y they are function of single variable t. It means that z is a composite function of t, and since z is a composite function of t, so we can find dz by dt by chain rule. So we can find here dz by dt. dz by dt निकालने के लिए आप लोग को निकालना पड़ेगा del z by del x, del z by del y, dx by dt, and also dy by dt. Now del z by del x, z की partial derivative with respect to x by keeping y constant, so it is y square plus, now see this second term, its derivative will be twice x y, then del z by del y, x outside, y square की derivative twice y plus x square outside, derivative of y is 1. Then from here dx by dt, so dx by dt will be clearly twice a t, and from this term dy by dt will be twice a. ये सब वैल्यू चेन रूल में रखने वाले हैं हम लोग. See this, it is del z by del x, dx by dt, del z by del y, dy by dt. x और y की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, यहाँ पर पूरा सिंप्लीफाई करना है, सो यू विल गेट दिस रिजल्ट. ये रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. प्रॉब्लम में बोल रहा है कि वेरीफाई करना है बाय डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग अगर 12th में रहते तो सेम प्रॉब्लम बना सकते थे विदाउट पार्शियल डिफरेंशिएशन. जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट x और y की वैल्यू यहां सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, x और y की सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर. तो x और y की वैल्यू अगर यहां सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो रिजल्ट ऐसा आने वाला है, x इक्वल टू z इक्वल टू दिस, x इक्वल टू दिस, y इक्वल टू दिस, एक्स और वाई की वैल्यू यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दूं और सिंप्लीफाई, सो क्लियरली z is a function of single variable t. Now it is a problem of simple derivative जो आप लोगों ने 12th में पढ़े हो. Directly find dz by dt. So t to power 4 4t cube डेरिवेटिव हो जाएंगी इसकी, that is 16a cube t cube twice a cube constant, t to power 5 की डेरिवेटिव 5 t to power 4, that is 10 t to power 4. a cube common, you will get this result. So this result and this result both are same. But इस साल आपको ये प्रॉब्लम बाय चेन रूल बनाना है, not directly. Now see the second chain rule. Second chain rule. Let z equal to f of xy have continuous first order partial derivatives where x is a function of u and v, y is also function of u and v. So just see this figure. Z is a function of two variable x and y. X and y, they are again function of two independent variables u and v. It means that z will be composite function of u and v. And since z is a composite function of u and v, so here you can find del z by del u and also del z by del v by using these two chain rule. So del z by del u, it is given by del z by del x by del u, del z by del y by del u. Similarly, del z by del v निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग. Now see the problem depending upon this chain. See this example. Here in this problem, z is a function of two variable x and y, where x and y, they are again function of two independent variable u and v. Then prove करने बोल रहा है del z by del u minus del z by del v equal to this result. So just apply chain rule. चैन रूल बनाने के पहले आप लोग साइड में ऐसा लिख सकते हो कि z is a function of two variable x and y. X and y, they are again function of two variable u and v. So z will be composite function of u and v. So let us start with del z by del u. So see here, z is a function of two variable x and y. So here we can find del z by del x and also del z by del y. But हमको चेन रूल बनाना है. So x is a function of u and v, y is also function of u and v. So del z by del x by del u, del z by del y by del u. So it will be equal to del z by del x. Now del x by del u, x की partial derivative with respect to u. So it will be e to power u plus del z by del y, y की partial derivative with respect to u, it will be minus e to power minus u. So it is del z by del u. Similarly, you can find del z by del v. Now see here, del z by del v, del z by del x by del v, del z by del y by del v. it is del x by del v, del y by del v. So it is del z by del v. It is del z by del u. Now subtract here. Actually, it is number 2, 1 and 2. Subtract number second from number 1. You will get this result. Now see this first term of both the bracket. This first del z by del x common, अंदर आएगा e to power u minus minus plus e to power minus v. And now from the second term, let us take this common. ब्रैकेट में आएगा e to power minus u minus e to power v. It was actually x, it is y, so we will get this result. So it was our second problem. So let me stop here now. We will continue in some more lectures depending upon this total differentiation